Welcome to this video guide. I will show with you step by step how to get loan in Intesa Sanpaolo. So friends, if you want to get loan, follow me in this video. You have two options. You can go to Google, search for Intesa Sanpaolo loan, click the first website here. So friends, this is for loan. Read all these terms and conditions before apply. So, and then go back from here and click personal loan. Click this one, consumer loan, approval costs. Scroll down. This is for loan. As you can see here, write your amount for loan you want to apply. For example, it's 6,000 euro. This is the max amount you can apply for loan. As I say, choose your interest type, variable or fixed. Choose your kind of you would like, salary or transfer, and then choose book appointment. This is option for book appointment, and then you will see this form application, this form. So friends, from here, apply for your personal details from your loan, such your name and your just write your name, surname, email, phone number, then choose send. So friends, this is how you can do. Choose I'm not a client, and then choose your surname. From here, write your own details, and then you will apply it and get loan successfully. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.